Paano gumawa ng daily cash flow or actual net income daily sa negosyo? Answer, simple lang po ang paggawa ng cash flow. If accounting graduate po tayo or may know-how tayo sa accounting subject. If hindi tayo graduate ng course na yan, medyo mahirap. Pero i-simplify lang po natin ang paggawa ng cash flow for non-accounting graduates or non-accounting na mga negosyante. So ito po, so gagawa tayo ng cash flow po gamit ang Excel file. Unang-una, lagyan natin ng heading po kung anong business natin. Yan. For example, AMN Sports Events and Management Services. Sa isang column sa left side, lagyan natin ng date. Example natin is July 1 to July 5. Okay, so next column, gross income, yung sales natin or income natin. Ay, lagay natin kung July 1, July 1 po yan, July 2, July 2, and so on and so forth. Of course, meron tayong expenses sa business, like sweldo ng employee. So, ilagay natin sa third column, magkano? 100 kasi small business lang po tayo. And of course, net income. Paano kinuha ang net income? Gross income less or minus employee salary. So, sa July 1, may 260 tayo. Sa July 2, may 230. July 3, may 175. July 4, 220. And July 5, 355. Ayan po. So, importante friends na daily tayo magawa nito. Kasi daily po yung cash flow natin. Iba din yung cash flow monthly. So, gagawa tayo niyan after matapos yung month. Alright? Thank you for watching.